Good morning, student. We are studying energy conservation in electrical machine, induction motor and transformer. Significant amount of the electrical energy in industrial and commercial sector of the world is consumed by the electrical motors, and the transformer is the called heart of the electrical power system, being a device that perform an important function of the energy transform from one circuit to another circuit, having low and high voltage and current. We have learned also the necessity of energy conservation in electric motor, because the energy cost continues to increase due to the ever increasing global demand of energy. Energy conservation is the most important area which the focused in order to reduce the production cost for the manufacturer, and most of the energy consumption in industry by the induction motor is that 70% energy consumption from the electric motor and their drives. We have also studied the percentage share of the energy consumption of electric motor, induction motor. In industrial 70%, commercial 38%, agriculture 25%, residential 22%, and transport means mostly for railway 60% share of the induction motor. And next we have studied the transformer. Why need of the transformer? Energy conservation. Energy conservation is the transformer is obviously will be step forward when attempt to reduce the energy loss related with the transformer operation in electrical power system are made. From the generation to utilization, there are more stages of conversion of electricity, conversion of power, low voltage to high voltage to low voltage. And actually needful voltage is the for 3 phase 440 volt and for single phase 230 volt, and that we have made by the transformer, and so number of transformer are required on this power system, and so there is more opportunities for the energy conservation due to the losses happen in transformer, variable losses and non-variable losses. Variable losses happen in the transformer winding, primary winding and secondary winding. These also called the copper losses, and non-variable losses means these constant losses, and this occurs in the transformer core. And we have seen that there is two types of losses. One is the hysteresis losses and eddy current losses. And by making this core efficient using the amorphous material against the silicon material, we can conserve the energy. We can make the efficient to the transformer and conserve the energy, and so total energy have much we can conserve by these two machines, means induction motor and transformer. Today we are going to energy conservation in the electrical machine, techniques in induction motor and transformer. Which are the techniques in induction motor? Is by improving the power quality, voltage unbalance, harmonic distortion, and by motor survey, by matching of motor, by minimizing the reduction running of the motor, by minimizing ideal and reduction running of motor, by operating start mode, by rewinding of motor, means copy of rewinding and changing to different winding by improving the mechanical power and transmission efficiency. Today we are going to learn the out of this by improving the power quality. What is the power quality? Power quality is the nothing but voltage and frequency both combined is called the by improving the power quality. And power quality depend on voltage, input voltage and their frequency. So what is the permissible variation? What is the tolerance of voltage? Here is giving the plus minus 5 to plus minus 10% tolerance should be permissible for the voltage. And frequency tolerance is the plus minus 3% and both combined the plus minus 6% tolerance between these two parameters. And so if there is more than or less than variation in this voltage or frequency, output will be not resulted and more effects are we have seen in induction motor and transformer. Causes of voltage imbalance. The uneven distribution of single phase loads. What are the reasons of voltage imbalance? Improper single phase loads. There are various consumers and various consumers loads are different, and that's why distribution may be by mistake of the supply company should be the wrong, and that's why voltage may be unbalanced. Mal-operation of power factor. Power factor is depend the connecting load, and connecting load of consumer is various. Different load is capacitive load, inductive load and resistive load. Mostly the inductive load having the less power factor, and if there is less power factor, energy is consumed high, and so mal-operation of power factor should be most important. Unbalanced transformer bank. There is number of transformer using in this system, and this also the parallel connection of in the transformer, and if there is unbalanced transformer bank, unbalanced load giving this transformer, then voltage also the unbalanced. Use of different size of cable. Because of the resistance is that depend on the diameter of the conductor, and that's why if different size of cable we are using, and that times voltage drop is be different, and power also the waste I square R, as it is the equal to the I square R, and heat also the generated by the Joule's law I square RT, and that's why power also the consume high power, and so it is required to that it is should be that cable should be sizes not different, should be correct size. So we are using the different size of cable, power may be high consumption. Load variation. Mostly more times load variation is the in the consumers and electric motor, electric drives, and number of load is there, and depend of the load, and sometimes load having low load, high load, and this is the variation in load. Due to the variation, voltage is unbalanced, and unbalanced voltage is always consumption the high power. And causes of unbalance, voltage unbalance. What are the problems and what are the effects happening in the system? The excess heating, vibration, decreasing the performance and life, unbalanced current drawn, transformer heating, malfunction of power factor correction capacitors, power generation and transmission losses, disruption of protection and control and communication, increase the iron and copper losses. These number of effects are happening in the system due to the voltage unbalance. Second is the power quality is depend on the harmonic distortion. What is the harmonic distortion? Harmonic distortion, the ratio of the sum of the powers and of all the harmonic component to the power of the fundamental frequency. Harmonic are voltage or current that operate at a frequency that is the integer whole number multiple of the fundamental frequency. And how it occurs in this system? Due to the widespread power electronic devices causes and increase the voltage distortion is that the DC to DC converter mobile, which are using in mobile DC to DC converter, AC to DC converter, this is using in the TV, computers, and also the battery chargers, sensors. These are the power electronic component, and due to this power electronic component, harmonic distortion is happening and disturb the systems. What is the harmonic? Harmonic distortion means frequency. You know the frequency. ही फ्रिक्वेन्सी त्यामध्ये जसं एखादं आपण आपला साऊंड असतो आणि साऊंडमध्ये आपण एखादा माईकमध्ये हॅलो असा उच्चार करतो आणि हॅलो केल्यानंतर आपला युको साऊंड येतो, हॅलो 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 हॅलो. अशा प्रकारच्या ज्या वेव्स तयार होतात, अशा प्रकारचा जो इको येतो आणि त्या इकोमुळे जे डिस्टॉर्शन होतं, तशा प्रकारचं डिस्टॉर्शन या सिस्टीममध्ये ह्या पॉवर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉम्पोनंटमुळे अशा प्रकारच्या अनेक फ्रिक्वेन्सी मीन्स सेकंड ऑर्डर, थर्ड ऑर्डर, फोर्थ ऑर्डर, फिफ्थ ऑर्डर, सेवन्थ ऑर्डर अशा प्रकारच्या फ्रिक्वेन्सीज जनरेट होतात आणि अशा प्रकारच्या फ्रिक्वेन्सीज जनरेट झाल्यामुळं करंट वाढतो आणि करंट वाढल्यामुळं पॉवर खर्च होते. म्हणून ही पॉवर क्वालिटी चांगलं असणे फार गरजेचं आहे. म्हणून देर इज द फिफ्थ अँड सेवन्थ हार्मोनिक. व्हॉट इज द फिफ्थ अँड सेवन्थ हार्मोनिक? इज द असोसिएशन विथ द व्होल्टेज अनबॅलन्स बॅडली ओव्हर हिट्स द रोटर. याच्यामुळं करंट वाढतो, करंट वाढल्यामुळं ओव्हर हिट होतं. 15 Hz is the fundamental waveform frequency. Here is the I am giving the example. 50 Hz is the fundamental waveform frequency, and this means a second harmonic frequency would be 100 Hz. Means that 2 multiply 50 Hz, and 5 Hz at the into 15 250 Hz, and 7th order harmonic is the 7 into 15 Hz means 350 Hz, so on. And this is the 5th and 7th harmonic distortion. What is the effect of harmonic distortion in the induction motor? Increase the vibration, torque and noise, rise in temperature, increase the iron and copper losses, losses of reliability. Harmonic current has higher frequencies of harmonic current, and the eddy current and hysteresis losses increases. Higher shaft current may be fail the bearings and create the negative sequence harmonic. Create the negative sequence harmonics means positive sequence is there due to their original frequency, and harmonic distortion happening in this induction motors, and there is create a negative sequence harmonic, and this negative sequence harmonic opposed to the original frequency, and that's why there is happening the power loss and waste the energy. Due to the correction of this energy, we can conserve the energy in this system. So here is the two most important things is there to in the happening in the induction motor, in the voltage unbalance, and there is the harmonic restoration. Yes, in your voltage unbalance, an equal voltage at the point of the utilization causes voltage unbalance, and most common causes are the uneven distribution, mal-operation, unbalanced transformer bank, and use of the cable of different sizes. Like this, the voltage unbalance can be minimized. How to minimize the voltage unbalance? Doing the equal distribution of single phase loads on all the three phases, and identifying and taking the aside the loads which are the distributing the balance, and these loads can be fed from the separate line or transformer. Because this we can minimize or reduce the voltage unbalance. And harmonic restoration, undesirable effect of the higher frequencies related to the harmonic voltage distortion causes increased iron and copper losses. We can reduce the iron and copper losses using the amorphous material for the core and proper winding and proper rewinding. Doing the proper rewinding and winding, we can reduce the losses in this transformer or motors and conserve the energy. This is the conservation techniques in induction motor, and only one techniques we have in the studied today by improving power quality and in this voltage unbalance and harmonic distortion. Tomorrow we will see the second techniques of by motor survey and by matching the motor. Okay, thank you.